Hey guys, welcome back to CodeCraft with Oshan. Today we are going to talk about one of the first things you need to know in program, variables. By the end of this video, you will understand what a variable is and how it works. So, let's get started. So, what is a variable? In simple words, a variable is a name. We give it a place in memory where we store data. Think of it like a box. You give the box a name and you put something inside it. And the value inside that box can change while the program is running. So why do we need variables? Because they help us store data, use the same data again without typing it every time, do calculations, make our program change based on different situations, and keep our code clean and easy to understand. Once you start coding more, you will use variables all the time. In Java, every variable follows the same simple pattern. First the data type, then the name, then an equal sign, and then the value. This is the pattern you will see every time you create a variable. There are a few rules for naming a variable. You can use letters, numbers, and underscores, but the name cannot start with the number, cannot have spaces, and can be a word that Java already uses, like int or class something. Follow these rules and you won't get any errors. Now let's understand two simple words, declaration and initialization. Declaration means we just create the variable without giving it a value yet. Initialization means we give that variable a value, but most of the time we do both at once in one line, and that's the way we will use most often. So this is why we call it a variable, because the value can change. Even we give it a value, we can change it later to something new, and the program will just use the newest value. This can happen anytime while the program is running. Not all data is the same, so Java gives us different types of depending on what we want to store. Text, whole numbers, decimal numbers, a single letter, or a true or false value. Choosing the right type for the right data is an important habit to build. Okay, now that we understand the theory, let's open the code editor for a VS Code and see how this actually works.